Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 8 of English 1. The name of the chapter is Subject Verb Agreement. The first thing that we have to know is what is subject verb agreement. It means your subject and verb must match or agree in number. If you have a singular subject, then you must use a singular verb. For example, the dog barks at every sound he hears. If you have a plural subject, then you must use a plural verb. The dogs bark at every sound they hear. Rule 1. Subject doesn't always come before the verb. For example, do Indians often eat rice? Where are the pieces of this puzzle? There is a problem with the balance sheet. Here are the papers you requested. Rule 2. The subject will come before a phrase beginning with of. For example, a bouquet of yellow roses looks beautiful. The study of insects is called entomology. The graphical representation of the numbers has been submitted. The rules of this game are simple. Rule 3. When two singular nouns are connected by and, the verb used will be plural. For example, the boy and the girl are talking to each other. The cat and the dog are fighting. The cow and the pig are jumping over the moon. Rule 4. When two different singular nouns are joined by and express one idea, the verb used should be singular. For example, hit and run, crime and punishment, first and foremost, virtue and vice. Rule 5. Unlike, as well as, with, along with, together with, and not, in addition to, but, besides, except, rather than, accompanied by, like, etc. When these words are the connecting words that join two subjects, then the verb used will be according to the first subject. Rule 6. The pronouns neither and either are singular and require singular verbs even though they seem to be referring, in a sense, to two things. Neither of the two traffic lights is working. Which shirt do you want for Christmas? Either is fine with me. Rule 7. If two singular nouns are joined by and, also each is used before both nouns, then the verb used will be singular. For example, each man and each woman is requested to contribute. Each boy and each girl is invited.